Hello, my girls. I am back today with a reading lesson about a story of a little boy who found some coins. You can see these. He found some coins. Let's see what he did with those coins that he found. The title is The Lost Coin. Repeat that. The Lost Coin. Once upon a time, a rich man named Dhani lost 40 gold coins. On his way back home from work, he told about this incident to his neighbor Ramu. A little later, when Ramu's son Mohan returned home from school, he told his father that he had found 40 gold coins in a parcel on the road under the big mango tree. He gave the coins to his father. You can see this is Mohan. Who is Mohan? Mohan is Ramu's son. Okay, let's see what happened. Ramu knew that the big mango tree was just outside Dhani's house. He took the coins to Dhani and told, "My son found these coins near the mango tree outside your house. They must be the coins you lost." Okay, let's see what Dhani did. Dhani was a greedy fellow. He had an idea. "You cheat!" he screamed at poor Ramu. "I lost 50 gold coins. Your son must have found 50. But you are hiding 10 from me. Give me those 10 coins back too." You see what's happening in the story? Okay, he first said that he had lost 40 coins, right? See? 40 coins. But what happened? Later, he got greedy and he said, "No, I have lost 50 coins and your son or you have taken the 10 coins to make up the 50 coins. Let's see what happened in the story. Alright, you can see in the picture here. Let's look at the picture first. Okay, this is Ramu. He has the gold coins. But I think this is Ramu. This is Dhani. Okay. Now, Ramu has brought the coins to him, but he is refusing. You can see his face. You can see he's worried. Ramu is worried because Dhani is blaming him. Okay. He's upset. Yeah, that's what the story says. Ramu was upset. He told Dhani again and again that he had found only 40 coins. Okay, let's see what Dhani did. Dhani pretended to be angry and said, Come, let's go to the judge. He will decide who is right. Okay, so they went to the judge. You can see the judge here. Okay, this is the judge, and this is Dhani, and this is Ramu. Okay, let's see what happened in the story when they went to the judge. They went to the judge. The judge listened to both the men. Who is that both? To Ramu as well as, this is Ramu as well as Dhani. Okay. Now let's see what the judge said. He sent for Mohan. Okay. He told Ramu to get his son. He sent for Mohan and asked him how many coins he had found. 40 coins, he said. Okay, now let's see what the judge says. The judge turned to Dhani. How many coins did you lose? 50, said Dhani. Then these can't be your coins, Dhani, said the judge. So, Mohan may keep the coins if no one comes looking for them in 45 days. You see what the judge said? He said, you had 50 coins, right? So this cannot be your parcel of coins, right? Smart judge, isn't he? And you, Dhani, must wait till someone comes with your 50 coins. Okay, now see, Dhani got stunned. He was surprised. What did the judge say? He's going to lose all his money, isn't it? Dhani was stunned. But they are mine, sir. He stammered. I lost just 40 coins. The story about 50 coins was just something I made up. I am sorry. These 40 coins are mine. Now the judge grew really angry at Dhani. Ramu and his son were honest. He said, let's see what happens in the story. They wanted to return your coins. This is what the judge is saying. They wanted to return your coins. But you lied. Lied means you told lies. You were not honest. You tried to cheat them. You don't deserve the coins. Mohan may keep them. Okay, this story is taken from the Jataka tales. The Jataka tales are exactly like the Aesop's fables, right? We have those Aesop's fables at the beginning of the Balbharti book. Yes, they were short stories, right? Yes, here also we have this story where you get something to learn from it. Here we had the greedy Dhani who wanted to make more money. And what happened? He was punished. Who punished him? The judge. That's right. So we also must not be greedy. We must learn to always speak the truth whenever we are asked. Never to tell lies. That means we are honest. I hope you enjoyed the story, girls. Bye. See you soon. Ta-ta.